Hi guys, so it's another Aqua Fishy adventure and we're here at Cartimar and Aqualand Alley. So we're approaching the pet shop adventure, Fishy adventure. So let me just show you how it looks like on a Saturday, October 10, 2020. I want to show you guys what is available today here at Aqualand Alley as to stores in stock fishes that they have, because the last time they don't have these fishes on display. So we have paku and we have female beta, and then we have tricolor angelfish. We have plants also, and as you can see, some they have unique fishes or variety of fishes. And if you're a hobbyist or pet shop owner, you can drop by as fast as you can to grab on what is available right now as for the stocks. And also, if you're looking for a specific variety of fish that is showing here on my vlog, you can come over because they have a lot of stocks right now, even for substrate, different rocks, and also for driftwood, even sands, and also they have huge numbers of beta fishes that you can choose from, different colors, different variety. And also, as you can see here, they're all healthy and showing off their beauty. They even do have like koi's beta fish, and these are new ones that I saw, a panda goldfish. If you are new watching my vlog, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hope Kusina 101. And also click the bell icon so you'll get notified. So whenever that I visit Cartimar, I can show you around, even though you don't need to come over to check what is in stock or available. Thank you for watching. So till next time, bye-bye.